Good morning class, welcome in your English online classes. We are again together to continue the topic past continuous tense. We have already completed this topic and we know that this tense relates to the sentences having raha tha, rahe the, rahi thi. Regarding its formation, we use subject plus was verb plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. We have already completed this topic, and regarding the use of was and were, we use was with singular pronouns he, she, it and of course I, and were with you, we and they. So now it's turn to do the worksheets related to past continuous tense. Here is the worksheet number 1. In this worksheet, fill in the blanks by making correct use of past continuous tense. In first sentence, the train dash in brackets the verb is steam. So the train, it is the subject is the singular. So we will go with the train was steaming. The train was steaming in. The train was steaming in. The next sentence is we dash for the airport. In bracket the verb is leave. Now we see that the subject is plural here. So what do we do? Was or were? Of course students, we will go with were. We were leaving. Leaving means chhodna. We were leaving for the airport. Now students, you know that while adding ing, the last e will be omitted. Last ka e hat jayega. Leaving. Next is the driver dash at high speed. In bracket we are having drive. So the driver is singular. We are talking about a singular subject. The driver was driving at high speed. The next sentence is you dash not dash a letter. In bracket right verb is given. So you is the plural subject here. You were not. The sentence is negative. You were not writing a letter. You were not writing a letter. Next is they dash an email yesterday. Sent. So they were sending an email yesterday. So students, we see that we have to make use of was were plus first form plus ing, and was were depends upon the subject, whether it is singular or plural. Now it's turn of worksheet number 2 related to past continuous tense. Here we are with the first sentence. The police dash bullets on the burglars. In bracket we are having fire. So we will compile the word police as a whole. The police was firing. The police was firing bullets on the burglars. Next is second. The shopkeeper dash a good discount. In bracket we are having verb offer. So shopkeeper is singular or plural? It is singular. The shopkeeper was offering a good discount. Next is he dash for the last bus. Wait. So he was waiting for the last bus. He was waiting for the last bus. At number 4, the hospital staff dash him badly. Treat. Now we know that staff is a collective noun and we go with singular verb here. The hospital staff was treating him badly. Okay students, treating him badly. Next is people dash fun at the zoo. Have. Now people, it is plural. People were having fun at the zoo. Next is I am sure she dash a lie. Tell. I am sure कहता है मुझे पक्का पता है. I am sure she was telling a lie. कि वो झूठ बोल रही थी. Next is dash I dash a mistake, sign of question mark. It means the sentence is interrogative. In bracket we are having commit. Now we are seeing that the subject is I, and in was and were we use was with I. Was I committing a mistake? क्या मैं गलती कर रहा था? Is it okay students? So we see that these are the worksheets related to past continuous tense. I hope the worksheets are clear to you. Go through it once again. This is your past continuous tense. Thank you students. Good.